Hare Krishna. Some of us come to Vrindavan just for fun's sake. We think that having lassi and taking golgappes and other chaat, and then obviously having occasional darshans of Bake Bihari and Radha Shyam Sundar is all what this holy land of Vrindavan is about. But that's not true. The real land of Vrindavan will only be revealed when we actually become the Kripa Patra or the recipient of causeless mercy of those great acharyas, the great Goswamis who have wandered in these beautiful streets of Vrindavan, which is still not yet revealed before our material eyes. And to do that, let us all try to make a collective endeavor to please our beloved Goswamis, our respected and most dear to Lord Sri Krishna and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And this video is just a small attempt to have that kripa or that glimpse of the great karuna of those acharyas. And let us begin this wonderful, wonderful attempt with having the divine darshans of Shri Shri Radha Gokulanand. Well, before taking their darshans, let me tell you that these are those beloved deities which have been personally served by great acharyas. And let us have those darshans right now. Hari Bol. Radhe Radhe Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
On the right hand side, we can see Sri Sri Radha Vijay Govind, who were served by Baladev Vidya Bhushan. In the middle, we can see Sri Sri Radha Vinod Ji, who were served by Srila Lokanath Goswami. And on the left hand side, we can observe the beautiful deity of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who was served by Srila Narottam Das Thakur. And the small deities that you can observe, they are Sri Sri Radha Gokulanand, who were served by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur.
Hare
सबसे बड़ी विग्रह है ना विजय गोविंद बलदेव विद्याभूषण का ठाकुर जी और बीच वाला ठाकुर जी है राधा विनोद लोकनाथ गोस्वामी का ठाकुर जी और तर छाट में महाप्रभु नरोत्तम ठाकुर का ठाकुर जी और सामने छोटा वाला ठाकुर जी गोकुलानंद राधा गोकुलानंद विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती हाँ और उनका छाट में महाप्रभु हस्तचंद्र शीला का रघुनाथ दास को दिया था ना वही शीला
Radhesha. Radhe
राधेश
Radhe Mata.
ठाकुर जी उठाइए
And this is the auspicious Samadhi Sthal of our great acharyas, Srila Narottam Das Thakur's Samadhi. And this is the auspicious Samadhi of Srila Lokanath Goswami. We all know about Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna, having the bhav of Srimati Radharani. But are we all aware about Vishnu Priya Maya? Well, Vishnu Priya Mata is the wife of Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and today let me take you to that blessed temple dedicated to Vishnu Priya Mata. Let us all have divine darshans of their lordships. Haribol. Now let us all have darshans of the Lala of Braj Bhumi, who is Shri Shri Radha Raman Lal, who is officially the smallest and cutest Vigrah in Braj Bhumi. Sri Radharaman Temple was established by Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami. He is one of the Shat Goswamis or six Goswamis of Vrindavan who followed the principles enshrined by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very strictly. The deity of Sri Sri Radharaman Lal is self manifested from a Shaligram Shila and has a mystic smile on his beautiful face. After the disappearance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gopal Bhatta Goswami was feeling lonely and therefore he decided to go to Nepal. And in Nepal, one morning, he was bathing in Gandaki river. When he dipped kamandal, which means a pot, in the river to fill the water, he was surprised to see that 12 Shaligram Shilas were there in his kamandal. He thought that it was a mere coincidence and dropped the Shilas back into the river. But when he refilled the pot, the Shilas re entered. He realized that this is not a coincidence but a gift from Lord Krishna, and therefore he kept them in his bag and went back to Brajabhumi, Vrindavan.
जय माखन कुंडल श्रवण धूमे गंड मंडल राजनी जय माखन कुंडल श्रवण धूमे गंड मंडल राजनी जय
After taking those Shaligram Shilas to Vrindavan, Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami started worshipping them. He always had that one desire to serve the Lord in his deity form so that he could decorate him with garments and ornaments. In addition to this, one day a wealthy man visited Sri Vrindavan Dham and offered Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami some fine ornaments and beautiful clothes for the deity of Krishna. Now, because Gopala Bhatta Goswami could not decorate the Shaligram Shilas with those garments and ornaments, so he had to ask the man to take back his offerings. But the man was determined and he refused to take them back. The very next day, when Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami uncovered the Shilas, he saw the beautiful deity of Lord Krishna playing the flute. Now, there were only 11 Shaligram Shilas and one self manifested deity of the Lord, which was named as Sri Sri Radha Raman Lal. Hare Krishna. So, this video was exclusively to remind all of us about the importance of our great acharyas, the empowered Vaishnavas who actually excavated this Braj Bhumi and gave us so many temples, Radha Kund, Sham Kund, so many other kunds. It is only by their kripa, their mercy, that we today are able to see this land of Vrindavan, which at one point of time had almost disappeared. And it is high time that we realize the importance of Sri Vrindavan Dham, because it is said that in just a few years from now, we might not even be able to see what we can see today, because we can see that due to high commercialization and urbanization in this beautiful Rajabhumi, we can already see that so many Leela Sthalis are disappearing. And let us not waste even one moment of our life anymore. Let us try to dedicate our body, our mind, and our soul into the service of Lord Sri Krishna. Because as Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has beautifully told to Sripad Sanatan Goswami, who is one of the Shad Goswamis, the six empowered acharyas, that, hey Sanatan, this body of yours is not yours, it is mine. You have surrendered yourself to me. So let me use this body of yours in the service of Lord Sri Krishna. So this is a message for all of us, that at whatever point we are in life, if we ever feel like giving up our duties, this path of bhakti, let us all remind ourselves of this statement told by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Sripad Sanatan Goswami Pad, that, hey Sanatan, this body of yours is not yours. You do not have adhikar over it. You should not even think of destroying it. And as we all have received the gift of this body from Sri Krishna himself, let us use this gift in his service only. Because, as a father brings a chocolate for his son in the home, and if the son, before honoring it himself, if he offers just a bite, just a piece of that chocolate to the father, although the father can buy thousands of chocolates like that, yet that one piece which have been offered by love and affection by his son is more valuable to him. So this is what our human life is also all about. We should try to offer what we have received from Krishna, and that would be the biggest perfection of this human form of life. Hare Krishna, Shri Shri Vrindavan Dham ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.